So most people don't make it in freight dispatching. And the reason why most people don't make it, because the majority of people are not prepared to be consultants to their owner operator. They're only thinking about freight dispatching. They're only thinking about creating noise in the market. Most freight dispatchers, how they quote unquote market their business is just noise. Saying you have the highest paying loads is just noise. But you need to know, to start a successful freight dispatch business, you need to be a consultant to your owner operators, and you need to show them your consultant skills before they sign up with you. And how you do this is by offering high value information for free. And then you're going to use the law of attraction. You're going to attract your potential drivers to you by talking about their pain points and the solutions. That is offering high value information. You're talking about the pain points that they have on their mind, and then the solutions to fix those pain points for free. You are going to attract owner operators to you. This is how consultants attract customers. So if you're just thinking about being a freight dispatcher, you're not going to make it, because owner operators are going to see the noise that you're putting into the market, and they're not going to believe in your business. But when you're able to talk directly about their pain points, directly about increasing revenue, directly about decreasing deadhead miles, and you give out the information on how you do that for free, you are going to attract your customers to you. So if you're not prepared to be a consultant and use the law of attraction, which will manifest through the analytics, you're not going to be able to build a pipeline of owner operators. But if you're prepared to do that, you are going to have owner operators on autopilot. If you want more information about how to do this, just go to my website, AntoineWest.biz, and sign up for my Freight Dispatcher Bootcamp.